Hi crafters, this is Nye with All Things Were Created. Today we are going to go over the assembly of the Lucky Charm Clover farm truck. This craft was pretty easy for us to cut on our machines, and it's just as easy for us to assemble, as all we're really going to be doing is gluing all of the layers together. So first thing is first, after you have all of your pieces cut, get them lined up and organized and how it should look at the end. So that way it lets us know that we have all of our pieces cut and they're in the right order. Next thing, we want to make sure that we have our glue. I'll be using my art glitter glue. If you've been following, you know I really like this stuff. It dries clear and it doesn't warp my cardstock. So since this is just going to be a lot of gluing for us, I'm actually going to speed up the video a little bit with the gluing, but when I go to take the truck bed part to glue it to the truck and lining that up, I'll slow down the video again and tell you how I do that. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now we've come to the part where we are going to take the truck bed part and add it to the truck. What you want to do is kind of use your eyeballs and just center it there in the center. You kind of want to make sure that you get almost the center of this C to line right up with that A. And once you do, use your hand to hold it down, lift it up just a little bit, and add some glue underneath. And again, before you really press it down, just make sure that it's pretty lined up there, right in the center. And then press down the one side, rotate it if necessary, and then do it again to the other side. Now, you don't have to glue all of this top part here. You can if you want to, but it's really not necessary. I think I will. I'm just going to add a little dab behind these big dark green clovers here. Just a little bit on both of these, just to kind of help give it that extra stick. And that's it. And there we go. We're all done. If you want, you can, if you want to hang this, you can then go ahead and add some twine here to the back and just give it a little hook so you can hang it on the wall, or you could just leave it the way it is. It's perfect. I think it's kind of perfect this way. You could stick it on a tiered tray if you have one, or somewhere in your kitchen, or just use it as part of your decor. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.